Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to see how to work with large data grids in spreadsheet web applications. One major obstacle in web application projects is submitting large data tables. Entering thousands of rows into a web page can be challenging from a technical and UI perspective because the space is limited and server calls can be a huge burden for user network. However, SpreadsheetWEB can handle such tasks with ease thanks to its optimized input grids. Let's see an example. The spreadsheet to the left is a healthcare insurance rating tool that can take up to 10,000 rows of employee data. For easy data input, we can simply copy and paste user data into this workbook. Entering the necessary information, we can get premium codes for 6 different scenarios on the Output tab. Now, let's see how this will work on SpreadsheetWeb. This web application was created using the Designer module and features a responsive design. All calculations and data from the original workbook is retained. We can copy data from any source and paste it into this grid, just like in Excel. Notice how pagination only displays the first 10 rows. The rest of the data is there, but this approach helps with load times as it creates less of a burden on the web browser. Once we're done with the inputs, we can go to the output page to get the premiums. It only takes the application a few seconds to send this data to the server and get the results. On the output page, we get the same values. This data can be saved into the integrated Microsoft SQL database by pressing the Submit button. Saved records can be exported later for reporting. Of course, this doesn't mean that you have to be an SQL expert, as this data can be accessed directly from the SpreadsheetWeb user interface. Pushing your data models to the web doesn't have to come with compromises. SpreadsheetWeb can provide performance close to that of desktop software and make the entire process a breeze. Thank you for watching.